Hello everyone, this is a longer video showing you how I assemble my chip bag. I have all of my items together. I have my chip bag, which has been printed on 8.5 by 11 paper. You see me here folding it along the lines. I'm not folding a hard crease, but folding it just enough so that you all can see, I can see where I need to have all my foldings go. I am using double-sided tape, and I am using a paper crimper, and I have the clear plastic baggie that will go on the inside of the chip bag so that you can fill it with whatever you so desire. If it's something that may be like an actual chip and be greasy, whatever, you can use that to go inside. I typically just use my clear bag for anytime, whether it's candy, chips. I do not open the actual chip bags. I still insert them inside, and I assemble it that way. So I am cutting off the white edging with my Fiskars paper trimmer right here, just getting rid of those white edges. And then I'm going to open it up and then use my double-sided tape. And I have mine on a tape roller. Much easier this way for me. And I've seen people use glue, but I use tape for mine. But you know what? There's more than one way to skin a cat, more than one way to get something done. Now for my chip bag design, I do use Pink Sugar Shop by Shanice Evans. I use her template for the chip bag. I have been using that template for a while. It's very easy to use, user-friendly, and you can design. I use Photoshop to design. I have designed some chip bags using Canva as well. So if you would like to see a video of me doing that, please let me know. Send me a message, and I will do that. And I fold my plastic bag just so that it does not get trapped in the double-sided tape. And, you know, especially when you're selling these items, make sure that happens, because you do not want your bag to be short and you can't stuff it appropriately. Now here I'm trying to make sure I have my bag folded correctly here. And sometimes you have to play around with it to make sure that it's lined up and even as best as possible. And so that is what I'm here doing, just trying to make sure I have that the way that I would like for it to be. And now I'm pressing down with my hard crease to make sure that I close my chip bag appropriately and that it is, you know, what I need for it to be. And I'm pulling it up because I see that it's not as even. And my double-sided tape does stick. However, I didn't press down too hard. So I was able to pull it up off of the plastic to then, you know, move it and shift it to where I needed it to go and where I needed it to be. So I'm still folding here. All right, and that is my chip bag. Making sure I have my nice creased edges. And now I am going to use some pinking shears to then cut the bag to give it that actual chip looking type of thing and give it, you know, a little bit of pizzazz. So trim that off the edges and making sure I have it lined up and that it's not uneven doing the top and the bottom. And here I'm opening my bag up so you can see that it does function and it does work, and you can fill it with whatever you need. And these are available as downloads on my website, and you can follow the same instructions that I'm stating right here when you purchase your digital download. I have several options of Father's Day chip bags available, different types of beards, facial hair. And so now I'm going to use my paper crimper to insert it to, you know, give it the nice lines on the chip bag. I run it through a few times, make sure I press down really hard to give that nice line. Flip it over and do this side. And there you have it. This is your chip bag. It has the nutrients, ingredients for being a dad. I'm showing you my products, my pinking shear, my double-sided tape runner, my paper crimper. That's it.